What's up guys, RB here, and today we are going to use Filmora to create a professionally graded sport highlight reel. Now, I'm a 33-year-old male who's balding on top. Can I, using Filmora, look like a professional athletic superstar? Let's find out.
Okay, let's begin. We'll put our clips down and we'll just run our AI stabilization tool as it is a moving clip. Okay, then we're going to get the VFX titles, okay, to introduce our video and just play around with some transitions of fade and also some of the color filters on the video just to make it really cool, followed up by some sound effects and a really cool introduction music video clip. All right. Let's start our main video. I'm going to select my clip, okay, from my main sort of selection of clips. And for this one, I'm just going to do a little bit of editing. So snippet where I feel the ball is just about to go into that hoop. Very good. Go into properties. Now, this is something really cool that I'm about to show you. So I'm going to select the custom speed ramping tool. Okay, now as you can see, this is the duration of the clip with that green line, and I'm actually going to make it get slower and slower as the clip progresses. Now, this looks really cool when it's done right. So as you can see, it kind of goes down in a nice little kind of roller coaster and getting slower and slower as the clip progresses. Now, I'm going to scroll down and have a look at the optical flow AI frame interpolation. This is the newest thing for Filmora 13, and what it actually does is it uses AI to fill in some of the frames on your slow motion clips. So that is really, really awesome. And it really does make a difference when you do your, rendering at the end. So I'll just do some minor adjustments on that clip. So as you can see, I just muted it. I'm pretty happy with this clip now. So let's have a look at the next clip. I'm going to put where the actual ball goes through the hoop. Now, obviously, it's another shot that I did, but I think it will pair well together. So, bit of editing. Let's chop it up a little bit. Only need just that last little bit. And the same thing. I'm going to go down to properties. Go down. Now, I'm just going to do a uniform speed reduction on this one. So, let's scroll it down with the wheel there. You can also type it in if you want, but down to 0.30 speed. And again, AI frame interpolation, optical flow. How many guys flow like this? And again, really smooths out that slow motion. Okay, so we're going to get through to the other clip now. Now it's going to go a little bit faster now. We're going to get some special effects. We're going to make sure that all our slow motion is going to be varied paces. We're going to get our filters, our video overlays, and a few little video effects there. We're going to also get some music and do our VFX titles. Now, I know it's very quick, but this took me about 20 minutes to do, but you'll get quicker as you do some skills. All right, so that's all done. My video's all done now. Without further ado, let's check out this clip.
And there you have it, folks. A professionally graded sport highlight reel using Filmora. Hang on. Hello? LeBron James? You've seen my highlight reel and want me to train you in basketball? Of course I'm an athletic superstar. I'm not a 33-year-old balding middle-aged man who can't really play sport very well. No, of course not. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you next time.